Bawi.
Bawi. 4 over. 4 over kahapon. Day 2. Ito na. Break even na to sigurado. Or
Whitey.
para pag whitey pero sa whitey na nga. Tama. Okay. Break even. Let's go.
Let's start this. Hole 1. Let's go.
Good morning.
Uy, pang shot tracer yan, boss. Good line. Uy, betterer. Okay. Baka 90 na lang. First time ko mag-whitey.
Hindi mo na naman hinold.
Good morning.
Ano?
3 good shots.
How's the sleep last night? Maluwag na mga bewang. Good lunch yesterday. Thank you sa sponsor natin. Steak. Ito na. Day 2. Break. Or. Let's go. Yun. What a draw. Bang.
Ay, lagpas boss ako.
Okay lang.
Hapbo lang. Okay lang.
Crazy.
Nice.
Uy, parang kahapon.
Ganda.
Gulong mo.
Ganda.
Gulong mo.
Energy is high today. High moral. Tingnan natin. Mamaya hole 16. O, tsaka na minulto tayo kahapon doon.
Abot ng mga 30 degrees.
Kaya yan.
First.
Boss, mataas ang moral ngayon ang boys Oo, hole 1, hole 1. Tingnan natin, compare natin mamaya. Tignan mo yung, di ba may line. Tignan mo kung hanggang saan. O yun sa taas. Yung tuldok na yun. Maganda to, boss. Okay lang yan. Kaya nang hilutin yan.
Malakas.
Oo.
Hindi pa lang. Mas mahirap.
Mas maiksi yung arc. Mas malakas. No.
Mas malakas dapat. Kasi dyan ba,
Meron tayong tap in, bro. You got this.
Ganda.
Lakas. Lakas. Labas na labas yung boss. Okay lang. Okay lang yun.
For birdie pa to, Shaq. Pondo. Pero no pressure. Kahit ilapit lang. Ito, angle natin. Yeah. Fair angle. Okay, sir. It's rolling. Mahina lang.
Mo na lang.
Bruh.
Short, bro.
Regular putt.
Yan. Yan dapat. Huwag mo na sa akin papaabutin yung tagay.
Okay. Ay, yung nga pala. Medyo aim ako sa kaliwa, boss. Para sure na walang bunker. Draw this, man. Hold the fish. Naku po.
Save lang yan. Save mo.
Iklep!
Save mo.
Ay, sumapit.
Nice. Nice. Safe, safe, safe.
Before.
Yeah, we're good, we're good.
Ano?
Ilang. Yan lang gold angle
na pang shot tracer.
We go for the over that bunker.
I-hold mo for the ikutan kita.
Okay lang yan. That's okay. Huh? So, uy, may club tour!
Okay, sir. Second shot. Ay, kayang ipatong. Libre mo lang. Yan! Okay tayo doon.
Good yan.
Hindi ko tuloy ako nakakapag-focus. Saan na punta?
Sige. One time, brother. Yan!
Keep that rolling.
Safe yan. Tayo yan.
Oh shit, not good.
Huwag na kaya mamaya na yan.
Hitting tree, 95. Idikit mo na. Short.
Anong gamit mo, Joey? Sandwich.
Kaliwa lang ng pin.
Tapos may atraso ako.
Easy swing, boss. Better to, better. Kick left.
Yan, stay.
Okay, may choices. Pwede na yan.
Ay, pwede yan.
Roll. Kick. Ryan, akit ka lang. Okay. Alright.
Pagka ganyan ng bola, oh, hindi mo na kailangan ng baseball.
Dito tayo, boss.
Ayan.
Huwag mo nang galawin, titirahin ko na yan.
Ito na.
May kabilisan, sir.
Hondo! Oy! I told you, this could be the day. This could be the day. One under. One under. One under.
I got this.
Gusto naman yung birdie mo doon.
Okay naman. So medyo strategic tayo. Kakapos ko talaga sadya.
Okay.
Para papatayo pa.
Maintain tayo ha, maintain tayo ha. Alisin natin yung mentality na may pondo. Okay? 0-0 pa rin. 0-0 pa rin. Hole 3. Par 3. Chunky.
Go, go, go.
Okay lang yan.
Ba? Same na naman.
Okay, Ferdy. Isang patong lang.
Oh shit, not good.
Oh no. Stay. Bago yun!
Oh shit.
Boss. To save par. Okay.
Run.
Save this bar.
Wow, nili ko. Save par. This is good. Oh, hindi naman nag-break. Our first bogey, pero okay lang. We're back to even par. Even par. Yes, sir. We're back to even par. Focus ulit, focus. That's good.
Okay yan.
Magandang tracer dun, boss.
Mauna na ako, Joey.
Swing away, Rory. It's okay.
Oh, don't let my energy get into you, bro. Tangina. Ako na. Balik ko na. My bad.
Safe na tayo. Boss, lalapit ko sa card sign.
Walang ibang play. Let's get it.
Lock swing, hold the form.
Yun!
Here we go. Gulong mo pa.
Nice.
Boss, less than 90 yun.
Yun.
Let's do this. Okay.
Shorts kasi yung ginamit. Yan, maganda yan. Oh, shoot. Oo nga.
Pitching ako, ma'am.
Nope.
Balik, kaliwa.
Scald it. Okay lang. Go.
Nice. Better.
Okay.
Ma'am, 100% sure, ah. Ma'am, yung pin, kalaban.
Ay, hindi aabot pat ko dyan.
Pwede yan. Lakas ng
Oh, shit.
mabagal yan, oh.
Okay. Akin. Birdie! Uy, tangina. Trabaho pa yan, boss.
Okay, last chance. Third chance for birdie. Malakas, sir. Pasok!
Hello there.
Kita ko.
Good putt.
Need this.
Doggy. Run over again. Oh.
Okay, 1 over. Grabe, roller coaster ride. Hole 5, pare, tama? Okay, pare. Come on. Energy.
Yeah.
Energy!
Boss, bawi ako talaga.
Yan! Welcome back, bro.
Job. Do this.
Lagpas mo.
Nagpas yan, sir. Pretty sure.
Nice one.
Oh, that's good. Oh, no.
No.
Ako, may water
Save mo
dun.
lang.
Keep it
Save
safe.
mo lang.
Bunker na naman.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Ilang natira, boss?
95.
95.
90, pero nagdadagdag ako dito.
Okay.
95 I guess.
Okay.
Nice draw. Go, draw.
More. Go. Oh, I'm short. Sabi ko na eh. I'm short.
Oh, that's good.
Go.
Jump. Pasok.
Kaya pa rin ni GIR to.
Nope.
I pulled it.
Okay. Strategy, putting off the green.
For birdie.
Still a birdie chance. Okay. Pasok ko na. Oh, almost.
Oh, sige. Maganda to, maganda to. Okay lang. Meron na tayo doon.
The other right.
The other right, bro. 4 par, boss.
Diligyan ko kasi sa
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. You're not really fine. You
Shake it
just
off,
can't
bro.
get into it because they would never understand.
Shit happens. Ferdy, please lang. Huwag mo sa ibalik sa akin ng tagay. Yan. Okay.
One over.
Par. 1 over. Nice one, sir. Yay.
This is my hole.
Okay. Hole 6. Redemption. Uy, same as yesterday.
My bad.
Ay.
Dali mo yung tool eh.
Yan.
Yan.
Get the slope. Yes. Nice one, Chad.
Ganda. Ayun. Ganda. May nice bounce pa.
Ferdy, this one's for you, bro. Let's go, Joel.
Relaxing, hold the finish.
My boy here is playing it smart. Save mo lang.
Yan,
More. Please.
Kumapit, boss.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Hapon, sorry.
Better. That's good. Kick clap.
Shape yan, shape.
Yes, sir. Kick clap.
Ayos yan.
Got this. Yes, sir. Oh,
Full swing, bro. Hold it.
Right to left.
Ganda.
Nice one. Birdie! 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 Come on! Oh! Come on, birdie! Maganda rin to. Baba, mukhang maganda yun ah.
We have options.
hold out mo, boss. Here we go.
Maganda rin yan.
Nice short.
Ay.
Okay, we're taking Ferdy's ano. Sige, Ferdy. Ay, we're taking Joel's ball. Ferdy kasi medyo pababa. Medyo slopey siya. Dito tayo. Bola ni Ferdy. Ay, ni Joel. Ba yan? Parang ano to eh, mga 10 footer. 10 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hindi, fine-flex ko lang yung sapatos ko.
I got this, bro.
Birdie. Get in! Short, bro. Buwan ng bitin to, pare. Birdie.
Meron pa tayo isang chance.
Please, my guy, don't leave it short, bro. Short, pare. We here live now here at the hole
7.
Hole 7. Par 4.
Nice. Nice ball.
Okay. You're
Good ball.
free, guys.
Nice one.
Yeah, okay.
Yan, yan. Good
That's
yan.
good.
Keep right. Gitna yan.
Keep right.
Nice one.
Keep going.
Nice one.
Keep going.
What a fade.
Swing away. Oh, that's good.
That's better.
Good, good.
Yan, maganda yan.
Good, good.
Okay. Hole 7. 1 over. Kick left, kick left, kick left. Yan!
Nice on.
Nice one.
That's a beauty.
Okay, Joel. You got this. Meron na tayong GIR, pare. Free. Fire at will.
Naku, what was that, Joel?
Okay lang yan.
On the green na tayo, diba?
Yes, sir.
Nag-roll yun.
Pero at least you're apart.
Nag-Google Assistant eh. Sayang, ano lang kanan. Pretty good distance.
Ganda rin yung hit, oh.
I'll get
Get
this.
that birdie, pre.
I'll get this.
Lakas.
Layo.
Lakas, malakas.
Hindi masyado nagbe-break.
Walang shoot. Ano lang. Malakas ba yan, Timen?
Maganda. Maganda, boss.
Daddy, chill.
Get this birdie. Last chance. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ay! Tap it in. Have to settle with par.
Short, oh.
Okay, still 1 over. Get this. Hole in 1. Kanan. Safe mo. Safe mo. Plug mo.
Boss, roll it.
Wag dyan.
Oh no.
Hoy, tama na.
Oh
Very easy. Ay, hindi nag-draw, boss. Sorry. Yan. Hindi nag-draw.
Mahina. Mahina. Wala, mahina.
Mabit ako. Tamang weight.
birdie this shit.
Hold it.
Go.
Birdie this shit.
Go.
Good line. Good line. Get this. Get
Yan, good
this
speed.
shit.
Good speed. Ay, hindi. Lakas.
Lakas.
Eh, maano, mataas.
Yes, sir.
So, left ano pa? Left inside pa.
Kanan if ever. Right inside. Chaparoo. Let's go.
Bunker.
Safe yan.
Oh, shit.
Labas na.
Nice.
Ito, okay ito.
Nice.
Matalag pa sa over the bunker, please.
Huwag
Over.
kang mabunker.
Uy.
Bunkers. Yan. Ayan, yan, nag-draw. Perfect. Boss, pang shot tracer, boss.
One time. Ay, maganda to.
Nice.
Go! Dikit mo na! Birdie chance!
Hole out.
Dami sinabi.
Hole out.
Stay!
Hole out.
Nice one!
Uy, okay din yan, boss.
Bale, may birdie na tayo doon. May birdie na tayo doon.
Good speed. Good speed.
Yan nga, ginising natin eh. Ay! Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Gosh, this napakahirap na putt. Malaki. Malaki, boss. Oo, laki.
Bakit gano'n ako?
Laki nun, pare.
Left to right mo na dito.
Come on, birdie. Pulled mo. Baba! Ayan. Good yan, good yan. Pa-pulled mo lang. Okay lang yan. Nice one. Nice one for a D. Nice one. Okay lang yun, okay lang yun. Mr. Tapper, 4 par. 1 over, back 9. Ay, front 9. 1 over. Brother. 1 over. Come on. Kaya pa yan. Okay, Coach Joel, come here. Anong kulang? 1 over tayo.
1 over. May dalawang hole kasi tayong hindi na GIR.
Ayan, back to back.
Both holes na bogey tayo.
Yung back to back yun.
Kaya dapat talaga GIR. Lagi target natin.
Tapos
Bonus na lang ang birdie.
Alright. Tayo magugol muna ng birdie.
Oh,
Kahapon,
sisira
1
tayo.
over din tayo.
Correct.
Same.
Sa back 9.
Starting back 9.
Starting back 9. Ngayon, whitey tayo, higher chance.
Correct.
I think. Kasi may birdie tayo eh.
Correct.
Parang naka 3 episode na tayo, wala pa tayong birdie. This one, kaya lang 2 bogey, kaya
Bawi tayo dito, boss. Bawi tayo. Ito, tong hole na to.
birdie
chance.
Yan!
Chance.
Alright.
Keep our energy high and
Okay.
high moral. Let's go!
Let's go.